Okay, now all we have left to do is to put the handle back on and put the shroud back on. And again, more blue Loctite. Now the last thing to remember when you're putting your handle on is to make sure you connect the control wires. Okay, now it's just the shroud. And it slips back on, stays in front of the motor mounting plate, and you've got those 5 bolts to put back in place. 4 on the back, 1 in front. And as always, more blue Loctite. Just get them all finger tight first. Then go back and tighten them the rest of the way up afterward. And once you've got all 5 in place, you can go back and tighten them all up.